We're finally getting an exhaust for the F80. Freaking loud. Oh my god. Alright guys, now that this car has some sound and a proper exhaust, it's time to add some more mods to the F80 to make this car sound even crazier. Oh my gosh. I just got a freaking car wash on this thing too. But yeah, if you guys are new, this is my 2016 F80 M3. We got it lowered on coilovers. We got some chrome TE37s as you can see. And no, this is not a wrap. I feel like I get this question a lot. And that is, yo, Chris, is this a wrap? Is it paint? And no guys, this is frozen black metallic in individual color from BMW. So nice satin black. Guys, everybody thinks this is wrap, but it is not. And just to show you guys some proof, if you guys want to see firsthand, pop the hood. And right under the hood, we have a plaque right here. And as you can see, BMW individual frozen black metallic. So that is super cool, man. I guess there's my proof. Got the chrome all cleaned up. This car is looking beautiful right now. But last video with the M3, we actually installed a new exhaust with the boys over at ARC Performance. This is their ARC DTS catback. Performance wise, that's the only thing that's done to the car is the catback. As you can see, we are installing some silicone front mount intakes on the M3. I'm so excited to hear this because I've always seen like video clips, and since we put on the exhaust for the M3, I feel like this is just the next step. I've actually had these sitting in the shop for like a long time, but I just wanted to knock out the exhaust first and get some sound on this car before we do the intakes. I got my boy Ethan here helping me out on the install. Last time he helped me do the freaking valve cover. That was a fun little project we had to do. Valve cover is off. No. Well, everything was going smoothly until I just broke this.
Broke it now.
That's crazy. Yeah, that was kind of a nightmare, but he had an M3 before, and he's like the M3 master. He knows how to do like all the installs. I honestly forgot I ordered white. To be honest, it's been so long since I freaking ordered these. And now seeing them in person, it's kind of crazy. These are gonna be pretty loud in the engine bay, not gonna lie. Like my car is just fully blacked out, and it's just gonna be this like super bright white piping all in the engine bay. Should look sick and sound good. All right, we just took off the stock intake. Now we're pretty much taking off the kidney grills now. I think we don't have to take off the full bumper. We just have to like take the screws off, right? And then just like lift it.
Screws off and pull it out this way.
And you can like reach behind, huh? Okay. Yeah, it's super scary. It's like bending all the way forward. You gotta like put your whole arm behind it. I'm gonna try to do this side, but I'm just trying to see how he does it so I don't mess anything up. There. I got the easy part. He took off the right side first, so I kind of used this area to like take this side off, but grills are off. I took off a whole bunch of this like rubber and plastic. This is kind of behind the grill in this area. You had to like rip all that out. And now that little hole, I guess I have to enlarge it so the silicone intakes can fit through there. So I'm pretty much just gonna get like a Dremel and make that hole larger.
It's like right here.
All right, just shave those holes a little bigger, as you can see. Take the Dremel, and intake should fit through that hole. We're trying to shove the piping through the freaking hole, but it's a little too girthy. It's too dry and girthy, bro. Need some lubrications.
What you doing over here, dude?
Just lubing it up. It's wet enough. Dude, this is so wrong. Alright, y'all, about an hour later, we got the piping in. A lot of it was done off the camera because you have to like squeeze. I mean, good thing these are silicone because I can imagine if these are like titanium or metal, because you have to squeeze that pipe. You have to squeeze this, pause. You have to squeeze this piping through tight places. And it helped being like silicone because it's soft. But this is pretty much how I have it routed. Put it under this, I think it's a coolant pipe, and it goes under, through there, and then you pretty much pull it out through here. It honestly helped having like a second set of hands, you know, having one person push and then the other person pull. I was thinking about doing this by myself, and that's why I hit you up last minute. I was like, I don't know.
I've done it before, like a few times with like aluminum piping.
Oh, heck no. Forget that. Just squeeze it like through these tight areas and then come around this side, like it goes through there. It's hard to catch on camera, but I think we finally have it. We're just transferring over these stock MAF sensors, another MAF sensor on this one. All that's left really is putting the filters onto the end of the silicone tubes, and that's pretty much it, really. All right, last kidney. This is literally the finishing, this is it, yeah?
Turn it on after this.
Hopefully this fits. Damn. Took this car to the chiropractor, dude. All right, y'all, the intakes are officially in. Now it's just time to start it up. Y'all, another successful install. How'd it go?
This one went well compared to
compared to the valve cover. Bro, shout out to the bro Ethan for helping me out. He actually does a whole bunch of installs. Whatever installs you guys have, bags, suspension, exhaust work. I'll put his ad right here. He helped me out big time with the M3. And yeah, like I said, he literally just does full-on installs for any car. So hit him up, guys. Tell him I sent you, and he'll definitely take care of your car, just like he took care of mine. Yeah, hit him up, guys, if you need any help. But yeah, man, intakes are finally installed. Well, as you can see, the Horizon Motorsport front mount intakes are finally on the M3. They make the front end look so aggressive, especially with like the two little filters kind of peeking out the front grille. I posted some pictures up on Instagram a couple days ago. It was like super foggy and I had the M3 out, and it looks so aggressive, especially with these snake eye derails that I currently have in the car. I'm gonna pop up the pictures right here on the screen. Car looked amazing. It's just so cool seeing those like two little filters behind the grille as well. But yeah, man, car looks amazing. It sounds cool. I'll get you some sound clips right now. Way back when I was like building up the FRS, this spot may look familiar. It is pretty much where I do all of my exhaust videos, because as you can see, there's nothing around us. There's just mountains, nature, and it's the perfect environment to make noise. So yeah, I got Daniela in the passenger seat. I'm gonna have her hold the camera and probably do some like couple flybys, try to show you guys, you know, the intake sounds and all that.
The reality of filming exhaust videos, you just have to keep turning around and doing it over and over again.
because like behind the wheel, like you can barely hear it. Like you can hear it a little bit, but I feel like from the outside it seemed like you can hear it like quite a bit. Dude, I can't wait till I put the downpipes on. That's probably the next thing that's on the list. Damn, my brakes are freaking hot right now. That's probably next on the list are downpipes. I feel like that's gonna make the car just sound crazy. Obviously, you know, downpipes make the car louder. And I actually listened to you guys. I went with the, I think it's called ARM, the Catalyst, but they're resonated downpipes. So it's not gonna be super raspy, but it's definitely gonna be louder. I saw that comment a lot on my last M3 video, like get the ARM ones, the resonated downpipes. But for now, it sounds good. Nice little.
You can hear it a little bit.
Yeah, you can hear it. It's a nice daily drivable sound. Also, this is like hella like off topic, kind of, but like speaking of the M3, I think I drive this car the most out of all the cars. Like literally, I drive this thing pretty much every day to work and stuff. And I never thought I would say like I enjoy driving in automatic so much. That was like one of the things that I was kind of skeptical on getting an M3. Like I was always set on getting like the 6-speed manual. You know, I'm like that mindset, like, oh, like man, every car should be manual. But I decided to get like DCT, like the auto, just because obviously all my other cars are manual. So you know what, it doesn't hurt to get autos, try it out. You know, I've heard great things about it. I actually genuinely enjoy the automatic. Like it's a nice break from the manual, but at the same time, it's still super fun. I feel like I'm just like always like spamming the paddle shifters. I don't know, it's just so addicting. Like especially coming to a stop, I just love hearing like the DCT downshifts. It's so satisfying, especially with like the pops. I feel like every opportunity I can, like I'm always just like dropping into gear. Like it's just so satisfying. I feel like she gets annoyed of it too. When it downshift.
I just don't like it when it's non-stop. Like I like the pumps, but it's just like alright. When it's like instantly burping, I'm like, shut up.
You said burping?
Yes, like quiet.
I don't know, it's just so addicting. Like here, like I have to slow down. I just love spamming it. I don't know, it's just like an addicting thing with this car. But once we put the downpipes on, it's gonna be crazier. It's gonna pop like loud. But yeah, overall, man, like experience with this, like the auto, it's so fun. I feel like a lot of you guys may think the same way. Like if you want an M3, like oh, I don't know if I want to get an auto. But yes, it's auto, but at the same time, it's not. Like it's more fun than your typical automatic transmission. At the time I'm filming this, it is, let's see, it's October 31st. October 31st, the last day of October. And I was like thinking about it, and I was like, you know what? There is a lot of stuff I have not told you guys about that is about to happen in November. I feel like November is gonna be a very eventful month. I feel like there's stuff going on like literally every weekend in November. I feel like I honestly feel like I don't post enough. You know, I try to do as much as I can because I do still work a 9-to-5 job, and pretty much with like YouTube, I only post pretty much when I can, you know, like when I do have time outside of my job. Long story short, I was just brainstorming. I was like, you know what? I think I want to try posting every single day in the month of November. Now I know that sounds crazy, that sounds wild. Like I only post I think like once or twice a week now. So going from that to every single day is quite a jump. I want to try to push myself this month, and given there's a lot of stuff happening, I want to like document it all. I want to, you know, just show everything, and not even focusing on like the big stuff that's happening in November. Even just like my small day-to-day life. Like you guys always comment saying like, you know, post a day in the life, like what do you do outside of YouTube, this and that. So I feel like if I post every day, I'm literally gonna be forced to film everything, you know, like not every day there's gonna be car stuff happening, you know, or exciting stuff. I'm gonna be forced to, you know, film, you know, like my personal life stuff, you know, what I do aside from cars. I don't know, I just feel like it'd be really cool. You guys get to see like a different side of me, like literally a different side of me, because I will be filming every single day of my life in the month of November. So yeah, I kind of took it upon myself, and I was like, you know what? I want to try to do this commitment of posting every day in November. And I think for this series, we're gonna call it Vlogvember. So kind of like Vlogmas, you know, in December, you know, Christmas. Let's call it Vlogvember for November, obviously. I was thinking about calling it like Vlogsgiving. I don't know. That's a pretty cool name too. But I think Vlogvember is pretty cool. So yeah guys, this video right here, as you can see, is day 1 of Vlogvember. This is gonna be this is gonna take some getting used to for sure. Definitely gonna push me to my limits. There's probably gonna be lots of you know, long nights, sleepless nights. And also guys, keep in mind, like, the videos may be shorter, you know, that's just kind of part of, you know, I guess how things, you know, have to be, because like I said, I have to post every single day, and some days, you know, I'm probably not gonna be doing anything, or some days are gonna be less exciting than, you know, some other days. So it's kind of one thing you guys have to bear with me throughout this month. Some videos may be shorter, some videos may not be that entertaining. It'll be up and down. So I think regardless, you guys will enjoy this. You know, you guys always ask for more videos, and you guys want to see, you know, more of my personal life stuff. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'm excited, man. It's definitely probably gonna be stressful on my end, but there's just so much. Like, I literally want to spill the beans right now. Like, I'm literally getting ready to go on a plane right now. Like, there's a lot of stuff going on in November. You guys will see in the next upcoming videos. But yeah, comment down below some video ideas you guys want to see throughout the month of November. We have 30 plus videos to film, and we're at day 1. So comment down your video suggestions below, and give me some ideas that we should film throughout the entire month. I'm always, you know, listening to the comments, reading them. So comment anything you guys want to see this month. I'm thinking about it now, like it's scaring me for sure, but it also excites me because it's something new, something I've never done. So bro, I got freaking big things coming, man. You guys are just gonna have to wait. But with all that being said, hope you all have a good one today. Make it a good one. And that closes out day 1 of Vlogvember.